Imagine you're going to be going on a big 10-hour road trip, and you have to drive. It's the night before you leave and all the mechanic shops are closed. Now you have to change your own oil. I'm going to just demonstrate how to change the oil in your car. It has a few steps to it, but they are not very hard if you know what you're doing. This will be my first time actually doing this by myself, but I've observed my stepdad and a friend of mine do it multiple times. It will give others an idea of how to change their oil. Step 1. Find the drain plug underneath of the car. Step 2. Place a container underneath of the oil drain plug. Step 3. Unscrew the oil drain plug. Step 4. Take off the oil filter. Step 5. Empty the oil filter into the container. Step 6. Open the new bottle of oil. Step 7. Screw the new filter into the engine. Step 8. Clean up your area. Step 9. Replace the oil drain plug. Step 10. Add small amounts of oil back into the car. Step 11. Run the engine. Step 12. Shut off the engine. Step 13. Let the oil settle and check the dipstick. Those are the steps to changing your oil. Now you know exactly what to do in order to do so that you'll be prepared for your 10-hour trip the next morning. It is useful to know how to do this in case of an emergency. This is why I chose to demonstrate this today.
The first step to changing my oil will be to jack the car up. Okay. Oh, I feel it.
Okay, well, it's recording, so.
Oh. Now I'll be unscrewing this and letting the oil into the bucket. Oh, that's gross.
Make sure the bucket's underneath of it. It's not underneath of it. Put the bowl on the ground and move your hand. Let it drain.
Now I'm going to put the oil on the oil filter. Okay. Now I'll be putting the screw back onto the oil tank.
Huh?
Then I took the car down from the... Now I'll be taking off the old oil filter. Now I'm pouring in the oil.